Let me just say that the personnel at DoorLoop, they are just absolutely superior. I mean, they're just great. Hi, my name's Ken Durst, and I manage about 20 properties in Central Illinois, major university, major national companies, and then we have a series of townhouses that we lease to major corporations. We have just been with DoorLoop for over a year. We were with this other software program between 8 and 10 years, and we had numerous accounts with them and had planned on staying there. But the level of frustration, when you want an answer, you need it, and you just can't wait a whole bunch of time. And so that's really the biggest consideration that we had in switching software. DoorLoop, you've got tremendous means of access, instant chats, you've got phone, you've got Zoom calls conferences that you can do. So I went through the demo, and then we went through the transition. Transition team is great. Your data gets transformed over into the new program. You have exceptional areas that you want developed. They will help you and see to it that it gets accomplished. So that's been a great, the transition was smooth, and the people we worked with, very interested in a satisfied customer. The way they've got the software laid out, they've got a people section that deals with vendors and owners, and they've got that laid out so that you can pull up your vendor accounts. You can see instantly what you're paying out, where it's going. The report section is very good. Reports, P&I reports, monthly reports, AG reports, all those things are in there that you would look for in a very serious software management program for properties. So we have a lot of properties that we're dealing with, and different needs, different situations, but there's not a situation that hasn't been handled with the software we have right now. Well, I would say check out DoorLoop. If anything, I may sound like a commercial for DoorLoop, but that's not the case. Let me just say that personnel at DoorLoop, they are just absolutely superior. I mean, they're just great. We love the relationship that we have with DoorLoop, and if they don't have something quite developed, then they tell you they're going to develop it. They get it done. And so our experience over this last year has just been tremendous.